Today we will learn division on the number line using this wooden log, and on this wooden log different numbers are marked using number line. This one we will learn with the help of Bumpy the Frog. Let us divide 8 by 2. Here 8 is dividend and 2 is divisor, and quotient we have to find. As you know, 8 is the dividend, so our first number will be 8. So Bumpy will take the jump of 2 because 2 is the divisor. Every time it will take the step of 2. So if Bumpy will bump, it will come to 6. Then 6 to 4. Next 4 to 2. And it will jump till it reaches 0. So 2 to 0. Now you can see Bumpy has reached at 0. Let us count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 8 divided by 2, it is 4. Means our quotient will be 4. Isn't it easy? Let us solve one more example. 15 divided by 5. Here the 15 is dividend and we will start from 15, and Bumpy will take jump of 5 because 5 is divisor. So let's help Bumpy. 15 to 10, 10 to 5 and 5 to 0. Again number of groups we will count. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3 because Bumpy has taken 3 jumps. Isn't it easy? And it is very interesting also.
So now we will do practical. How we can divide a number using number line. As I told you before that multiplication and division, they are inverse to each other. When we were multiplying the numbers using number line, at that time we were coming from this to this side, means we were moving forward. But while doing division, we should move backward. We will take steps back. So the first is given to us 12 divided by 2. Means here 12 is dividend, 2 is divisor, and the answer that we will get will be the quotient. So as you know that 12 is dividend, so we will start from 12. We will start from 12. So where is our 12? My 12 digit is here. I will start from 12 and I will take the jump of 2 steps because 2 is the divisor. So whenever you will divide using number line, keep in mind that dividend we will start, and here the divisor we will check and we will take the jump of the same number. So here we have to divide 12 by 2. So we will take the jump of 2. Means now the ball is on 12. And if it will take a bounce 12 to, it will go to 10. 12 to 10. Now it is on 12, and after 12 to, it will go to 10 to 8. 8 to 6 and 6 to 4 and 4 to 2 and 2 to 0. Now my ball, it has reached at 0. Means we will take the jump till we reach 0. So after this we will count the number of groups, how many groups are formed, and we will put arrows like this because we are going that side. These arrows shows that we are going that side. And after putting arrows, we will count the number of jumps. So start counting. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, we missed one number. It is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of jumps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So my answer will be 6. Let's have one more example. In this we have to divide 20 by 5. So we will start from 20 and we will take the jump of 5. So take 5 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the ball will bounce at 15. Means it will go 12, 20 to 15. Again 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means it will go to 10. So then after 10 again jump of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the ball will bounce at 5 and we will put this. Then again 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The ball, it will bounce to 0. See, and now what we will do? We will put arrows like this. And after this we will count the number of jumps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number of jumps are 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means my answer is 4. So in the same way you will also solve the exercise and try to solve in your rough notebooks so that you can easily understand the concept. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.